So, a little bit busier. All I had to do is put a battery in this old girl. Runs a charm. It's funny. We had a storm not long ago and this van, for some reason, has a 3000 watt inverter in it. So while we were without power, this van was powering our house. So, well, our fridges at least. So, continue with the cleanup. Alright, so that was a bit of fun. What we're doing is clearing this area up. This is going to be our work area workshop for this. So let's have a bit of fun. I want to try something. Got no battery in here because it's out, it's on the recondition. However, let me see if there is the slightest chance that I can jumpstart this baby without I might do it. Okay. Whew. It's a bit warm. Hold on a sec. Let's get this bonnet up. Oh, that's burning hot. Oh, mamma mia, that is hot. Oh. A mighty Mitsubishi donk. They are a solid old unit. So what are we going to do? Really dodgy. Fucking dodgy. We're going to hook up to the ute. Let's see. That's earth. Earth is done. There's our positive. Now, this is a good battery in this ute. It's got a good power to it. So technically now we are directly connected. If I can fire this up, I'll be a very happy man. We have everything. Not enough to give it a kick. There you go. Look at that. 355,000 K. This thing has so much life left in it. Not going to do it. I was hoping to give it, start it and drive it over into position. But doesn't look like that's going to be the case today. However, oh wait a minute, oh, I got power. You can unlock it. So now we can get in the back. There we go. Now that is cavernous. You can't build some form of awesome little home in there. I don't know what the hell is wrong with me. Yeah, we'll see. It's a bit bloody warm out here, I'll tell you that. So I've got my little shady area. And the whole idea is going to bring the vehicle in here. I'll turn it around, get it back in here, but batteries first, clean up first, get things ready. You're not going to go below 10 degrees. Shut her down and just keep that battery rolling. Fun. Alright, so next challenge. I used to have a dog, Mason. Beautiful animal. Beautiful boy. And that's his home. And I can't, for the life of me, get rid of it. I can't even, I'm thinking what I might do, because my beautiful Mason is buried over here. Lovely little spot. My boy. 18 years he lasted. I'll put a photo in here somewhere. Put a photo in here somewhere, but he's right in front of that chair. Maybe I'll bring the kennel over and put the kennel over there and mount it up as his home. That's probably the best thing to do, isn't it? Alrighty. It's great when you got little farm tools around, property tools. So these things are heavy and I'm still recovering from months on my back. I am knackered already. Started. It's going to be fun. As you can see, it's got to be cleaned first, and oh my god, is it disgusting inside this van. It has been sitting for ages. It's just feral. There's bloody cockroaches, there's holes in the roof. I've got to rebuild all that. Roof down. Ceiling. Whatever you want to call it. Good lining. Oh, what's the name for the same old shit? Well, we are getting there. I'm going to pull all the panels off. I'll pull the floor up. And then I've got to kill all this rust. Fix all these holes. Then we start lining it. Insulate it. The floors, walls, everything. Probably do a high bed here. Nice deep one with a big run to the back so you can sit up here, everything. And in here we'll have a kitchenette, cupboards, even put a crapper in here. Big one off the side. Definitely not using this frigging lining. It is awful. Well, I think that's enough for today because I'm starting to have troubles with consciousness. So, we'll pick up next time.